Happy Thanksgiving, guys. And in honor of the holidays, Kevin and I figured that today would be the perfect day to do another giveaway. And this one is huge.
That's what she said.
Kevin. As you can see, Kevin has already opened up the box. I have not seen this yet, so I'll go ahead and open up for you guys because this will be the first time you're seeing it. It's also going to be the first time I'm seeing it. That way,
I've seen it, and yeah.
Kevin says it is impressive.
It's very impressive.
I feel like full of innuendos today. Holy crap, you were not joking.
Look at those tie rods.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is the YETI HD tie rod from Steer Smarts. Good. Oh god, Lord.
Told you.
Okay, the easiest way to show why we're so impressed is to go to the front of the Jeep and compare this to the OEM factory equipment.
Go do that real quick. Also, look, it's serviceable too. I don't even.
Jesus. That is a huge difference. Kevin and I were wanting to swap these Steer Smart components onto our JL. Wasn't just because of the beefier tie rod ends, it was also because of the tie rod itself. The JL tie rods have unfortunately started to be known for cracking right along where they've drilled this pinhole here. Now, although the factory tie rods on the new JLs seem beefier, and to an extent they are, they're actually pretty thin and hollow. So upgrading these components was really important for Kevin and I, especially the way that we wheel. But when we bought these in October, we weren't anticipating meeting the awesome crew over at Steer Smarts while we were at SEMA. And after talking with them for a while and giving them the chance to watch some of our videos, they loved the idea of working with us and doing some real world testing of their products for the JL. So with that in mind, we wanted to pay it back to our subscribers by giving away the tie rod end set that we had already purchased. So let's go over what you have to do specifically in order to qualify for this giveaway. So as I said earlier, the purpose of this giveaway is to honor the holiday and Thanksgiving in general. So there's 3 steps you have to go through in order to qualify for this giveaway. And the first, which is the most important, is you have to give back to someone today. And I don't mean physically giving them something, it doesn't have to be that, but make someone's day. Do something nice.
Just pay it forward.
Just pay it forward. Like Kevin said, just pay it forward and make someone else's day better, however simple or however intricate that might be. The second thing that you have to do is you have to post it, whether it be a photo, a video, or just a Facebook post, something along those lines. I need you to post about what you've done or share a photo, share the warmth, share the giving, and encourage other people to pass it along as well. Now, once you've done that, the third and final thing that I need you to do is to tag us in that post, whether it's on Facebook, it's on Instagram, or share this video on that post as well, and then put that link to that post in the comments below on this video. And the only reason I need that is so that we can track it and show that you guys, I don't feel as though I need proof, but to show that you guys really have done this, that you're paying it forward and you're making the world a better place one by one, just sharing the joy of the holidays. So pay it forward. Post the link in the comments, tag us in it, and again, I'll put all of this in the description below, including the steps you have to take to win this giveaway, but also the link to all of Steer Smart's components. That way you guys can check them out for yourselves. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, again, happy holidays. We hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Oh, also, so I almost forgot, when Steer Smarts heard about our giveaway, they actually let me know that they would be shipping out the steering stabilizer relocation bracket that's needed with their HD tie rod.
So not only are you getting the tie rod that we had purchased, but you're also gonna get that relocation bracket as well. So again, read the description if there's any confusion on what's necessary to make this all work and to qualify for this giveaway. But as I said, we love you guys and have a wonderful day. Bye!
Bye!
Oh my God, you butthole.